Hey guys, what's up? Hope everyone is doing well and have been well. So excuse all of this craziness. I know I need to touch up my hair and my face, but honestly, I'm too excited. Today's video is going to be an unboxing reveal video from For Her Vanity. So if you ain't following, I'll have all the links down below or in the comments. Be sure to follow, because I'm telling you, if you're not, you are definitely missing out. Amazing organizers and so adorable to keep your space organized. And the designs, different colors, everything, I'm telling you, it's bomb. So with that being said, let's just get right into the video. So I came home today from the store and I came home to this beautiful box. Anyways, I'm gonna get right into it. Yes, they really did a really amazing job. This is the Spooky collection from For Her Vanity. I mean, I'm just gonna have to get up close because this, I mean, wow. For Her Vanity. Look at that beautiful skull. Spooky cuties. This is just, wow, amazing. So much hard work was put into that. I can definitely tell. So now I'm just going to go on ahead and rip open the box if I can. First up, we have this beautiful coffin organizer. It's a palette organizer. I mean, look at all those details. Like, look, this is just absolutely amazing. Worth every penny, every penny. I am not joking. So, here's the palette organizer. And here's the coffin. And I believe they have them in the brush holder and other types of organizing as well. So you definitely got to go check out the channel so you can get all the info, because I'm telling you. So here it holds nine palettes. And I'm definitely putting that up later so you'll be able to see that. Okay. Next, we have these four. Look at that. Like, I just have to get up close because you can see the glitter, you can see every part. I mean, it's just gorgeous. And inside you can see it's the general makeup organizer. Look how beautiful. I mean, look at this. And girls, the Skull's Lashes is more popping than mine at the moment. Tell us. Okay, so now with these organizers, this one's going to be the palette one, obviously. So I am going to be filling this one up and putting some palettes in there. And I'm going to be actually leaving it at my desk area because it is spooky season. So I am going to be redecorating. Also, they have the coffin one, the glam pumpkin one. The pumpkin one is super cute. I actually had ordered a few, so I should be getting in some pumpkin ones soon. And stay tuned because I will be doing a giveaway with one of my pumpkin ones. And I'm telling you, it's going to be worth it to enter the giveaway. So you can go ahead and win one of the For Her Vanity Glam Pumpkins. And they also have all three of these organizers with different, how do I call it? So they have the palette one, they have the brush holder one, and they have the general makeup one, organizer one, in all three of them, I believe. But like I said, go check out For Her Vanity so you can get some more information and get your hands on one of these beautiful babies. And since it's spooky season and Halloween is coming up, it's the perfect time. And once these are sold out, they are gone. Like, they are not going to be having them in stock. And I'm telling you, they do sell out. They will sell out. So go and get your hands on them as soon as you can. Very, very much worth it. So I'm going to be filling these up. Also, another good thing about For Her Vanity is because they have several options to choose from. Like I'm saying, like just in general, like they have the spooky collection, which is temporary. So once it's sold out, it's sold out, like I said before. But they also have other organizers that you can use all the time, and it's so much worth it. It's so worth it. I have several of them, and I have not had one complaint. They make my beauty room look like 20 times better than the acrylics. I basically got rid of a lot of my acrylics just for these. Like, I'm telling you, a good thing about it is that you can change it up. Like right now it's spooky season, so I'm going to be filling these up, and if I wanted to take them and take the place of my other ones that I have, then I can do so. But I'm going to leave these at my desk because it's spooky season, and we're going to be doing that. And the spooky thing about this collection is that it's so spooky because it's so cute. Here we go. Okay, so like I said before, I have several of the For Her Vanity makeup organizers. We have this one, and then a few down here. You can always just change these up. I have the bear one right here. I can always just put my skull in here if I wanted to. So very, very, very awesome. And all the above. The word I was looking for is convenient. Very, very convenient. You can change them out. They're very good to use for storage later on. Go ahead and check out For Her Vanity's TikTok. I'm showing you how to do that. And I'm going to switch mine right now. Okay, so here are some of the palettes that I chose to put into the organizer. So we're gonna go right on ahead and fill it up. So easy, so beautiful, more organized instead of just being thrown in one of my drawers. And now I'll probably even use these palettes more because when it's put away, I tend to forget about them. But when they're gonna be right on my desk, I'm probably just gonna reach for it. Now for my gorgeous skull, I am going to go ahead and grab some of the items that I tend to reach for more, like bronzer, blush, that I use more often, so that way it's just in hand reach. So I'm gonna go ahead and fill that up. I mean, you can put whatever you decide you want to put in it. I'm sure you can put makeup brushes, but I actually have makeup brush organizers coming from For Her Vanity, so I'm just going to save that for that, and I'm going to use this for this. And I am I'm in love. Like, I love this so much. I'm so excited, and I am very grateful for this package that I received from For Vanity. And I'm not lying to you when I say it's very much worth it. I really do recommend For Vanity. Like I said, I've never been dissatisfied with any of my purchases, and I continue to purchase. So obviously, that's evidence in itself. I'm not gonna continue to spend money on something that I'm not happy with, and I continue to spend money, so you know I'm happy. But I definitely recommend for you to go check them out. Get your spooky collection, because it's not going to last. Once it's sold out, it's sold out. Don't lose out. Anyways, I decided to put the coffin one here and then the skull one over there. And here is also another organizer from For Vanity. But for today, I am definitely excited and in love with my products and can't wait for the rest to come. Like I said before, if you're not following or keeping up with For Vanity, you definitely got to do so, because if not, you're missing out. Such gorgeous and amazing quality in the products. And you can tell there's so much detail. The glitter makes it so much, like, it's so beautiful. Like, it just makes it so much more beautiful. But you don't have to have glitter if you don't like. But definitely would say, don't forget to check them out. And don't forget to stay tuned. All my social medias will be linked down below, or probably in the front of the video somewhere, or in the comments, so you can keep up with me, and we'll be able to know when that giveaway is coming. So as soon as I receive the package, I will be doing that giveaway, so you can have a chance to win one of For Vanity's amazing organizers. With that being said, I am going to end this video, unfortunately. Yeah, so don't forget to enter the giveaway and check me out on my other social medias. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment, because I never know where I'm posting anymore. Anyways, thank you for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, I decided to come back because I have, if you have any suggestions or any comments or anything about any other videos that I should do, or you would like to see, or maybe if you have any comments or suggestions on how I can organize just a little bit better, because I have all this clutter and I'm trying to not, because I just want the skull and the coffin and my other glam pumpkin that's going to be coming, but I just don't know any other ideas that I can where I can put my other brush holders at, or suggestions of anything that I can buy to place them on. So yeah, like I said before, have a good rest of your day, and peace out. Thanks for watching. Okay, I decided to come back because I have if you have any suggestions or any comments or anything about any other videos that I should do, or you would like to see, or maybe if you have any comments or suggestions on how I can organize just a little bit better, because I have all this clutter and I'm trying to not, because I just want the skull and the coffin and my other glam pumpkin that's going to be coming, but I just don't know any other ideas that I can where I can put my other brush holders at, or suggestions of anything that I can buy to place them on. So yeah, like I said before, have a good rest of your day, and peace out. Thanks for watching.